Ladies and gentlemen, hi, my name is Gilbert GPS and we are back with another video. I want to say three things. Three things. First thing, I know I'm look like an egg. Second thing, it's been a while since I make a video. So bear with me if I do some hang or slow talk mid recording. Why? I don't know. And third thing, you're reading the title correct. Today is the investiture day. Yeah! Because if you guys remember, like maybe 3 or 4 months ago, I made a video about them, about others' investiture. And I'm not wrong. To there, I'm there because why not? And now today is my official day to become a sacristan. Today is my official debut being a sacristan. And now that we are late because someone is not here. Yeah, this usually like takes like I don't know, like you need a parent before you completely use your Alba. And for some reason my mother is busy. So my brother Martin, if you guys know Martin, I mean, I think you guys know Martin. Martin is the one who's gonna be with me and put me the Alba. Why? I don't, I don't know. I want to talk about the thing, okay? Why I've been gone for like, I feel like you guys didn't know. I feel like up till this day, I have still videos that I restored for a while and for me, not for you, for me, I didn't touch recording like I think like a month, like mm, a month or so since starts of school. Yeah, I've been busy in school. Yeah. And focus. And if you guys know, I'm also a Christian just like now. Yeah. Yay. That's my reason why I'm gone. I've just been busy in life. I'm not gonna explain throughout this time. Maybe in the other video or other time, other day. I don't know. I don't know when I was free for doing anything like this. Like at all. I don't know. But yeah. Martin! This is my drip and this is his drip. Show your drip, you piece of foot. Show your drip. Sheesh! 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 I look like an egg. We are late because someone. Ah! We are in SM. SM Supermall. I got out of super. Always a super. Galing oh. Galing. Hey, hey. Naubos si social battery. Earlier this night, Kapitan gave us chicken joy, and now that we're going to eat it in SM Supermall. Now I want to ask you how handsome I am. 0. Yes, he said 100. And now we're going to eat chicken joy by Jollibee. Jollibee, sponsored me please, please, please. Now, chicken. Yay! We're going to eat this in front of you guys. Rating 1 out of 10. What is the taste? 5. 5? Why 5? Why not? Yes. He's my brother. I tell you that he's my brother. So what I said is what he said. Now this is also the opportunity that I can tell you guys why I've been left or I've been gone for like maybe in YouTube like 3 weeks. But for me it's like 1 or 2 months. I've been busy in school and also I've been busy in my life and I don't know how to manage my time anymore. Sneaking this, being a YouTuber, and
Yes.
I want to tell you guys that something in our life, there's two things that we do in everyday basis. One of those is what we want, and the second one is what we need to do. What I'm about to say is a lesson for all of us. Let's go first to what we want. There's like things that we want. Let's example this. What I'm doing right now, being a content creator, I want to become famous. I want to become a content creator for you guys. That means I will do it because I want. There's also things that we want because let's say donate some people donating to charities. They want to help people. Another example of what we want is serving to God. Just like me, I'm a Christian. We want to serve God. We want to enlighten. Let's go to the second one, which is the what we need. The things that we need to do. Let's say education. We need to study. We need to focus on our education because there's a big sight in the future if we finish our education. And let's say at work, we need to work, right? We need to work into the society. We need to work because we need money. Why we need money? Because for some reason you can't live in this world without money. There's no such thing as free. That's the reality. If we even though that we don't want to become like we need money. We need money every day. We really need money every day. And that's what I need to do. It's just becoming what is the word? became barrier. Let's say a barrier to the things I want to do. Even you ask this guy beside me, how often do you see me in the house?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yes, sometimes. Because like whole day I am in school. 6 to 10 student, and then 12 to 5 I am working. 6 to 7 I am transporting, go back to the house. And sometimes I doesn't eat and don't eat. I the the food that only in my stomach for a week is just of bread. Like literally a bread. Water and bread. That's what I eat in a week. I don't eat rice because I don't have time to eat rice. Saturday, I'm doing laundry. But this man over here doesn't help me in my laundry. And every Sunday, I'm serving to God. There's like things that I need to do. There's things I want to do. And I can't, for some reason, I can sneak being a content creator. But I promise you guys, I am trying my best, okay? I try my best to go back. I am planning some things, maybe in the future, but I'm planning some things. Maybe this channel will be like more on vlog for the past, this gonna be vlog for this past few months, maybe a year, I don't know.